Alright, as you saw in the description and title, this video I'm going to walk you through how to bring back the natural color of your bronze watch, like when it was brand new. I have two different bronze cases here. This is the Thorn SHY039. I recently got this watch, so it's not that old, and it, as you can see, has a very mild or light patina to it, both on the case and the clasp. This is my Glycine Combat sub, which I've had for over 5 going on 6 years now. And as you can see, the patina is much heavier, a lot more of that green and blue under the bezel and crown. And this has not been restored in quite a while. Now I want this to stay natural, so I'm not going to remove the patina on here, but I will walk you through how to do it on this watch. The steps are the same regardless. Now, one thing you can do if you're wanting to just, let's say, bring some shine to the edges, you don't want to do a full restoration of the bronze itself, you can grab something like a polishing cloth. Now be careful, because if you do this too many times with a polishing cloth, it will actually remove some of the brushed finishing on your case. So again, be careful, but if you wanted to, let's say, bring back just the natural shine on those high polished edges, then a polishing cloth is going to be great for that. As you can see, all it's done is restored the natural shine compared to like over here. So that's one method, is using a polishing cloth to do that. But if we want to bring back the full shine, what we're going to need is some white vinegar and just a little bit of salt. I have my vinegar in a spray bottle. There's different concentrations. There's 5%, 9%, all the way up to 30% or so. The higher, the stronger. So don't, that's why I'm wearing gloves. This is actually a 30% vinegar that's been diluted to about 10 to 15%. But I'm going to show you here is the bronze, and we're just going to start rubbing with our vinegar solution. And take a little bit of salt, a little bit of vinegar. We're going to work that back on there. You're going to want to rinse this off and dry. So as you could see, with just the vinegar, it wasn't really as effective, but once you add the salt, that reaction starts. It does a great job of taking it back to that natural bronze finish and color. So I hope this video was helpful. I mean, you choose if you want to keep the patina looking like it's natural, patina over time, or if you want to keep it looking fresh, now you know how. If this video is helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And of course, make sure you subscribe for more tips. And if you're into watches and seeing reviews, my name is Dave. Thanks for spending a little bit of your time with me today. See you at the next one.